everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's just me, Cheryl. So just excuse any noise that might come from the background because Tommy's playing on the computer and Eddie's up having a nap, so he's probably going to start waking up in a minute. Like, I know what he's like. But anyways, probably as you've seen by the title, this is going to be a little DIY video of me trying to do some hair tinsel. Excuse me. Anyways, so yeah, I want to do some hair tinsel. I've done hair tinsel in my hair before, but in a different way. The last time I tried to put hair tinsel in my hair, you got a couple of little strands. In my life, you got a couple of little strands and then you just tied it in a knot around your hair. There is loads of YouTube videos, so if you YouTube it, you'll know exactly what I mean. But you basically just tie it in a little bit of a knot. It's actually really hard to do. Like, you do need someone else to do it for you. You can do it yourself, but after you've done about 5, you really can't be bothered to do anymore. It's just a bit of a pain. So I was trying to look online to see if there was any other methods of doing this, and I seen a method where you can use, I think they're called micro rings. I got this on eBay. This was £5. I think they're 5mm micro rings, silicone. It says silicone ones, but I don't know. You got like this little metal tool, like it's like a loop that you pull your hair through. This one looks like some sort of crochet kind of needle, and then some pliers that must be like clamping together. That was all right when I used to be blonde and I had my dark roots, but yeah, my hair's orange now. I tried looking online to see if I could get any of those little micro loops, you know, to match my hair basically, and the closest colour I could get was burgundy, so it's still really dark. Like, you see, that's quite dark. I'm a little bit worried that when I put these in my hair, it's going to look like I've got head lice in my hair. My roots aren't that bad, but I want to try and put them where if I put my hair up or my hair's down in like a pot and you're not going to be able to see the little dots, you'll just see the tinsel glistening through. And I think I paid about £3-4 for these, and you got 100. These are 3mm ones. Silicone, I don't know. I'm not an expert on hair extensions. It's something I've never dabbled in. And then also on eBay, I got some hair tinsel. So I think there's 100 strands in here, and I paid 99p. These are gold. Do have some pink ones instead. Now, last time I looked online with tinsel hair, it says that you have to use the heat at 180 degrees or lower. My curling wand that I use does go up to 180 degrees, and they're still kind of like stuck to the curling wand, so they do stick a bit to like straighteners and stuff like that. I don't know exactly what the heat will be for this. This is just off eBay. This is cheap stuff. Maybe if you bought it from like a proper hair brand company, it might be better. They'll give you, you know, like the proper instructions on the proper temperature that you have to use so that you're not damaging your hair, or damaging your straighteners or your curlers or whatever. But yeah, these did stick a little bit, but every time I try to like curl my hair, I just like made sure they were inside of like the chunk of hair and then curled around, and it wasn't too bad. And they did kind of curl with my hair as well. It looked all right, but obviously this is a DIY video. I'm no expert in this whatsoever, so if you're going to do these, you do it at your own risk. If they stick to your hair, then it's your own fault. Like, I'm just doing a little DIY video to try it out because I really want them in my hair. Let's get started. So I'm going to open this little packet up. Right, so in the first packet, little weird crochet hook thing and pliers. Oh, it's a pulling needle. It tells you on the back. Then I have this. It's like a loop. I do believe that you put the little bead on first, then pull your hair through in the tinsel. Truth is, I haven't really done that much research. I looked and thought, oh, that looks good, and that was like last year. Let's give it a shot. This would have been perfect for New Year, but I lost them and I couldn't find them. Let's get one strand. See, watch this be totally wrong. That's why I stay away. First ever attempt. The bead won't go on. Can't even see. See. It's not gonna work. Right, the 3mm micro ring things are too small to go on this stupid loopy thing. Where's them pliers? Let's just nip this together. You see, it's too big. It worked. Yeah. There it is. I don't know what to do now. You only need a tiny little bit, I guess. Right, I had to come off camera there. I've put a bit in my hair and it's really hard. Like, this is like a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be. You can see I've clipped it there. It's really long, so I'll need to cut it. You can see it's just glistening. It's not actually too bad, but like that was so, I'll have to cut that bit. I'm gonna thread it. Doesn't help that because I've pinched the end of this. It got like stuck in my hair because it's pinched on a bit of an angle. Thread it in, go down. I might put that through like that as well. I kind of see this being damaged into your hair as long as you don't pull out the micro rings. There's no hair attached to the micro rings, it's just attached to my hair with like the thinnest, tiniest bit of hair tinsel. So it's not like it's adding weight to my hair, but I guess if you did pull out the micro rings, then you would pull out your hair. If you left them in for a long time and when the micro rings eventually when they come out and you notice that there's hair loss, well that's just probably normal, that's just probably your hair shedding. So I think it depends on how you look after them, but I'm not educated in hair extensions, so. You ready to fight some crime, Chase? Oh my God. Remember, even though there's a crime in progress, right, okay. We still have to drive. I've pushed it up. This is where it gets stuck because the micro rings are too small. Oh. Hey, Chase, right, my hair's now stuck. Turned on the navigation system. You can use it to find your way around Lego City. I've marked the location of Territory Bank on it with a police shield. That's perfect. I get worried that when I push this little bead up because I'm not doing it properly, that it's gonna tap my hair at the top. I've gone the wrong way. Can we call that bet off, please? And one there. That's a pretty look. Even though I kind of do it to my life. Right, I'm just going to continue to do some more. This is not a tutorial because it's going wrong. I've got to do the school run in 10 minutes, so I might end up having to give up soon. Love it. What am I doing? Putting glitter in my hair. It looks beautiful. Come see, come see. Look at Mum's hair. Come here, babe. Look. Well, it's called hair tinsel. Look.
Tinsel.
Look at that.
It's so red.
What do you think of Mum's hair?
Red.
It's red. My hair's been like this for ages. Yeah. Look, can you see the sparkly bits? Gorgeous! So I'm back. It's a couple of hours later. I can definitely tell it's a couple of hours later because I've got a new friend on the side of my face. I had to go and do the school run. I've had the kids and stuff like that, and I just wanted to wait until they were in bed before I finished putting the rest of the tinsel in my hair. It's went in really well. I think when I was filming it, I was looking in the mirror and I was trying to show you on the camera what I was doing, and it just wasn't working very well. So I was in this mirror just standing there before putting them all in, and it was so much easier. I could see exactly what I was doing, and you know, when as the more that you put in, you start getting your technique and you think, yeah, like this isn't too bad. I'm not ripping my hair out anymore. Like this is quite all right. You know, does it feel dead nice in your hair as well? I've never ever worn like any micro rings in my hair before because I've never had hair extensions. It's just, I don't know, just something I've never really wanted, but they feel all right. Can you see anything? Is there anything glistening? Like, it's weird. I think if you're somebody that likes picking things, maybe these aren't the best for you because you would sit and pick them, and you would pull some of your hair out. But I'm quite excited to see how they go, see how long they last. Obviously, this is the first time that I've ever tried this method before. I will leave some links below. I'm sure there's a girl, Sophie Hannah. I think it's Sophie Hannah Richardson, or she goes under Sophie Hannah. She's always got like blue hair, pink hair, well, quite a few different colour hairs, but I'm sure last year I had seen a video when she installed the tinsel hair using the same method. So I'll leave her link below and she may be able to explain like a bit better how you actually put it in your hair, because I'm just trying it out for the first time. I'm not basically showing you how to do it. I just wanted to give it a shot. If anyone else has tried this before, you know, comment below. Go onto my Instagram accounts. I'll leave them both linked below as well. Let us know if there's any better ways of doing it, how you've been maintaining them, if anybody's actually ever worn them. I don't think a lot of people do wear them, but they're still pretty, so you all should. But yeah, if there's any tips and stuff like that, like let us know, because if they're staying all right, like I am going to plan on keeping them in for a long time. I hope you like this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you in my next video.